I do not want anybody bothering me while I'm doing this. What's up, queens and kings? Welcome back to the channel. Here at Queen Budgets, we are tackling all things financial, from budgeting by paycheck, cash envelopes, sinking funds, savings challenges, debt payoff, while currently on a low income and a single mom of 3. So if that sounds like something that would interest you, beautiful me, invite you, beautiful or handsome you, to go ahead and join the Shmoney team, because baby, we over here lit, we accountable, you know what I'm saying, and we getting our shmoney together, baby. I have missed you guys. I don't know, I feel like I haven't been as consistent as I was before. They've been a little bit rushed through, but no worries, because 2023, baby, I'ma lock it down. I'm still tackling my debt for 2023. I'm so excited. Happy December 1st. Today is December 1st. Like, this year zipped by. I'm so excited for everything that is in store for me, and also you guys who have budgeting channels, and even those of you who are thinking about starting budgeting channels, or those of you that budget but you don't have a channel. You know, I'm just so happy for everybody's journey. Every time you turn around, something's happening, but I really am so thankful for 2022. 2022, I have learned so much about myself, about my finances. I have just learned so much in general from you guys, from trial and error. But let's get this money together, baby, okay? Because as you can tell from the title of the video, this is a quick, sis always saying it's quick, but it be long. This is a quick budget with me and cash stuffing video. Girl, the way you moving got me in a trance. I had to give me some extra money, y'all. How do I have an Apple Pen when I don't be using it? Okay. The budgeted amount for the budgeted and the actual amount is $840. I had to pay roadway insurance, which is $218. Oh, y'all, send me good vibes so I don't fight nobody, because you see how many text messages and stuff I'm getting. When I don't be on doing nothing, my phone be dry like the desert, okay? But soon as I start click this light on and click this camera on, then sis a celebrity. You know what I'm saying? But back to the budget, like I was saying before I was so rudely interrupted. I don't know what my calculator is, y'all, but we just gonna make it do what it do. So $840. That's what we started out with. I paid roadway insurance, which is due on 12/1, $218. $840 minus $218 left us. So $840 minus $218 left us with $622. I also paid Canva Pro, which is $13, due on the 1st also. That left us with $609. My maintenance fee for my business account is $16. That's usually taken out on the 1st unless I meet the requirement. So that brings us down to $593. I did have a timeshare that I got with one of my exes, and we ended up, of course, he's an ex, so we are no longer together, and the timeshare people, they want their shmoney, okay? So I did settle with them for $2,500. So I'm starting, my first payment is going to be $100, which is going to be due today, actually. Well, they're going to take it out tomorrow. I told them that I get my money today, and then they can take it out tomorrow, which is $100. That's due on the 1st. That brings us down to $493. Capital One Auto, which is my car note, okay? Capital One Auto, which is my car note, is $147, due on the 5th of every month. So 12/5, this is due $147. That brings us down to $346. My Lane Bryant credit card, I paid $30 on that, which brought us down to $316. And then my Victoria's Secret credit card, which is, I paid $30 on that, and it brought us down to $286. So let's count what we do have, because I added 143 because y'all, that's how busy I be. I had got a payment, and I had paid my son's daycare bill, but my son started going to daycare, so I'm actually using the child support for daycare, and then whatever is left over, you know, I just budgeted, you know, wherever it can go. I'm kind of thinking about for 2023 stuffing the children's envelopes with the remaining money from the child support, but I don't know. I have so much stuff to like mentally process as far as my finances for 2023, but I'm working on it. So let's just count and see what we have. We have 100, 150, 200, 250, 270, 290, 310, 330, 350, 360, 370, 380, 390, 400, 405, 10, 415, 420, 21, 22, 23, 22, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 29, 429. Look, did I count that without messing up? I mean, I kind of messed up a little bit, but you know what I'm saying? I still had like, you know what I'm saying, had it together or whatever. Like, nah, but I'm in a good mood today, y'all, which is like good, because this time of year, the holiday season, is a really hard time for me. So send me some good blessings and some good cheer, and I'm gonna get through it. It's okay. So starting off, where are we starting? Let's start with the variable expenses. As we, well, I'm gonna say where we starting. Like, I don't start with the same thing all the time. All right, for Queen, I am giving myself, this time I'm doing $30. So that's a 20 and a 10, and this better be right. And I bet not mess up nothing. And I bet not mess up nothing. Kenzie baby, instead of, she was, y'all, let me tell you, Kenzie baby was on the verge of getting her $20, but sis got back in the bed this morning and ain't get on the school bus, okay? So our agreement was she would get the $20 if she made it to school every day. So she did not make it to school today, so sis getting $10. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I have to try to encourage her, because she's being independent and going out catching a bus on her own now since I'm back at work. And I have to, you know, encourage her. So I got to keep my word. So I said if she did good, I would give her the 20, and she didn't. So she getting 10. Trance is also getting his normal $10. He was asking about his little shmoney yesterday, because him like to buy bubble gum now. He's into buying gum. Gasolina, we are doing $125. That's 50, 100, a 20, and a 5. 125, even though we was doing 150, but as y'all can see, I had some rollover left, so I'm just gonna do 125 this time. We was a little bit tight because I had to pay that resort, timeshare. I had to pay that $100. Well, we wasn't short, but you know what I'm saying, a little tighter than normal. So we're doing 125 in gasolina. Eat out, we are doing nothing, because sis, you know what I'm saying, y'all, I went to the gym at 3 o'clock in the morning last night, and I just was like, you know, I'm tired of my weight fluctuating up and down. So eat out, we're not putting anything in eat out. Mi Casa, I believe we are doing $25 in Mi Casa, so that's 20 and a 5. We do need a little bit of household, a couple of things, household products. So we're gonna do the 20 and a fizz for Mi Casa. It's like I be liking the zippered envelopes when I have the other envelopes, and then when I have the zipper envelopes, I be getting tired of them. I'm just gonna have to fluctuate back and forth. So self-care, we actually had $20 left over, and we're actually adding 16, so that's a 10, a 5, and a 1. And so now in self-care, we have 10, 20, 30, 35, and $36. I'm doing my hair this weekend. I already brought the hair, but I do need to buy some hair color, because I don't know if I've shared with you guys before, but my hair is almost completely gray. I've been gray since I was 19. So I usually color my hair when I do my braids and stuff, so I don't be looking like nobody grandmammy. You know what I'm saying? Miscellaneous, we're going to do $10. We're going to do $10. And then for love, we're going to do $5. I know I said I was going to jump that up, but I think I'm going to wait till I get paid again, because we still working, y'all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We still working on it, you know what I'm saying? And that is it for our variables. I ain't been tracked no expenses. I'm not putting no pressure on myself, but for 2023, I'm tracking them expenses. I'm holding myself accountable, and I don't care if it kills me. You know what I'm saying? But I'm going to do what I got to do, baby. Let's add to the Christmas fund. Yeah, because that's all. Oh, why I feel like it's some extra dollars left over. Okay, maybe it's not. Okay, guess what, y'all? So when I went out my last video, if you caught my last video, I said I was going out Black Friday shopping. We had reached our $1,200 goal. We had reached our goal, y'all. And let me tell you, they had all the deals. I'm literally finished Christmas shopping. I honestly don't have anything else to get unless I just want to do some extra add-ons. I did not, though, spend the money that was for me or myself. I spent the portion that was for myself or my children. Okay, that's just so normal for me. So literally we have 100. Where did $10 come from? Oh, did we have 110? Oh, so we got 110, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So we have $116 left in Christmas. So we literally spent like $1,104. I believe so. And I got my kids everything they wanted. So we are adding $155. So that's 100, a 50, and a 5. And I think I'm going to take this money that I'm still saving and actually do something for myself. There are some headphones that I want. I think they're called Kraken. They're like gaming headphones. They have like, they light up and they have these little kitty ears on them. And I really want some, and I've seen them at Best Buy for about $100. So yeah, so now we have 100, 200, 250, 260, 265, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71. So we got $271 in Christmas. Yes, but definitely not least, y'all, I ain't forget about my buffer, baby. I ain't forget about my buffer. We slowly. Now, I did take $20 out of my buffer. Look, I'm going to be so transparent with y'all, but I took the $20 out of my buffer because like I had told you guys earlier, my son's child support check did not hit. I believe that the Thanksgiving holiday had something to do with why the money was delayed 2 days, and I was due to pay my tuition for him. Otherwise, he wouldn't have been able to go to school. So we made it do what it do. And that's, you know, that's part of the reason why, you know what I'm saying, we budgeting, we saving money so that we can have it when we need it. We might have to take it from here and put it there temporarily, but at least we have it to do that with. You know, that's how I look at it. We're putting $43 in the buffer, so 2 20s and 3 $1 bills. And let's just see what we have in our buffer. We have 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 150, 170, 190, 210, 230, 250, 270, 290, 310, 330, 340, 350, 360, 365, 370, 375, 380, 385, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 400, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have $404. Did I say $404? I believe $404. The initial goal for the buffer was $500. We almost there, y'all. Then we ain't got to worry about it, sweetheart. Don't worry about it, sweetheart. Okay? So I'm proud of me. I'm proud of y'all for whatever journey or whatever y'all got going on that I know y'all been working hard on, because we all working on something. I'm proud of y'all. I'm proud of me. If you made it all the way to the end of the video, give this video a great big thumbs up and let me know in the comments, what is one of your 2023 goals, financial goals for 2023, because I'm curious to know. I will be posting my 2023 financial goals very soon. I'm also this month going to be updating you guys on my 2022 goals. Did I actually reach those goals? And yeah, so I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. And guess what? We getting this money together, baby. Period.